What's up, guys? So I got the part for this one over here, for the layer, but there's 3 layers. But first I'm going to cut it and see if number 3 is damaged. Number 3 it is for the bolt. This one it is, I think, this one, and then there's one more tool, number 4. So I'm not using the whole thing, I'm going to use it from here up there, and then I'm going to cut it around here. I don't plan yet, I don't know where I'm going to cut it. First I'm going to cut this one. I'm planning to cut it from here right now, and then if it's damaged from up here, I'm going to cut it here, but now I'm going to cut it here. Okay guys, I just finished my measure. Now I'm going to cut it. Okay guys, I just finished drilling. So what kind of drill? So over here is drill. Down here, I take this, the glue, and then do this. So after I take this part, there's this over here is damaged, this piece is different, so I need to order. I didn't order that, so let me take this one off, and then I'm going to see what's damaged inside here. So now I'm going to cut it. So I'm going to cut it like this, go here and stop here, and then over here I'm going to do it. I'm going to cut it like this because I can get it inside here. I'm going to slide it over here. Maybe I'm going to do slide it over here all the way and take this one off, and then this one is easier to take off. So cut it down here, and then go over here. Okay, I never did one, so it'll be tricky to do it. Okay guys, I just cut it over here, and then the one of the steel's a little bit far away, so you don't cut it off together. So I just get a light down here. I thought I was recording, but I was not. Okay, on this side it's coming off. Here. So guys, I just cut it by a smaller grinder, like this one. Otherwise I can get it over here. I don't know body shop how they cut it. Alrighty. So the second layer, this one it is. So it's damaged. I take it off. Okay guys, I just drill it. So I'm going to take this part. So I'll try to fix it if it works. If not working, I'm going to buy a new one. But now I'm going to make a mark. I'm not cutting over here, I'm going to cut it around here. Because if I want to weld it, I can weld it over here. But here is for this one. Otherwise I need to get in more here. Okay guys, so I take this one off, so I'll try to fix it. Hopefully it works, otherwise it's not working I might buy, but I'm trying to fix this one. It's not that much bad, I'll say, so only down here the issue. So I'm trying to fix this. Now I'm getting another one piece. This piece needs to come off and fix it down here. And here too is damaged, so I'm going to fix that. I'm going to cut this one and break it out. And I fix it and put it back. Only the top layer only going to replace that one. Alternate to be changed. So this one's the top one. I just cut it out. I don't need it. That's why I just did that. Now I need to be careful and this one take it off. First I'll cut it and then I'm going to drill the spots. There's too many. This one's weld, so I need to grind this to take it off. Otherwise I can't do that. So there's 3 spot welding over here. This one's my step. Okay, I'll try to take it off this one or drill it like that. And then there is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and then there is one more down here. So let me cut it off and then do that. Okay guys, I just drilled all out, so over here's damaged, but I don't know how to fix this. So over here it's bent, but you can leave this part. Now these two, I don't know how I'm going to fix it. I'll try to fix it. I need to fix it. This one, then I have an issue down here. There's the issue over here or down here. I will try to fix it too, but I don't have tools for body. I need some tools to do that. So I'm getting one. I need to order from Amazon. So then this one, I'll try to fix it. This was not that my strong steel. This one it is. So I'll do my best. Otherwise, if I get used, I'm going to order that. But the new one is so expensive, so I'm trying to fix this both too and I weld it on. So my battery was dead. Now I just replace it. So I'll try and fix it, and then I need to buy some glues to take special. Yeah, both of them was hard. This one doesn't have glue. This one was harder to take it off because of there's a glue where I was struggling, and then there's some rubber, some stiff. I don't know. This thing was put on here, over here. So it was like this, not like this, like this. It was like this. I don't know why they use this. It's broken, but still I can use it. I need to buy new glue to do that. So yeah, so I need to order tools, and then I don't know when I'll get it, the tools. So see you next time when I get the tool.